Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how to fry onions for biryani and korma and other recipes. And this fried onions can be stored for almost 3 to 4 months in a fridge or in a tight container. So let's start. Here I'm taking almost 1 kg of onion, and you can use red or white depending on your choice. Basically red is good for heart as well as it is mostly preferred in the dishes, but since in the market the red was not available, I got the white one. It's not exactly white, it's like yellowish white, which is also can be used in the cooking. So here I'm going to take out all the cover of the onions, and the root part need to be removed thoroughly, and then after that I have rinsed all the onions, and I'm going to chop the onions with a chopper. Although you can use a knife, but that's very time consuming, so I have used a very convenient chopper, and you can see how thin and perfect cutting will be there with the help of the chopper, with the help of the onion chopper, which is very easily available in the market for these types of chopping. For chopping huge quantity of onions, because I'm using a huge quantity. I'm going for the chopper. If you're using small quantity, it's up to you. You can use do it by your hand as well. But since I fry these onions and store it for 2-3 months, and it's very easy way to cook, because whenever you're making any major dishes like biryani or korma or any other dishes, or even if you just want to put the fried onions on the rice, it's ready and it's available and easy to do it. So here I'm taking almost 1 liter of oil. You can use any oil. I'm using here peanut oil, and for 1 kg of onion it's better to take 1 liter of oil, and after frying you can reuse this oil in your cooking, and it gives very good taste to your dishes, so you're not basically wasting your oil. And here our chopped onions are ready. So before I start frying, I'm going to heat the oil. As you can see, I'm heating it in a karai, and to check the temperature you can actually put one piece of the chopped onion and see if it is ready to put all or not. So here I'm going to reduce the flame to high medium, and then I'm going to check. So now you can see that the onion is coming on top of the oil. It started floating, so this is a sign that the oil is ready. And remember that whenever you're frying these onions, you should always go for the medium-low flame. Don't go for the high flame at all, otherwise the onions will burn, and the taste of your curry as well as your biryani will be destroyed. It will be totally gone because of the burnt onions. So never fry onions on high flame. Now I'm going to put these onions slowly. I'm not going to put all together, because if you put all together it has a risk of overflow on the stove. So always make sure that you're putting slowly you can fry these onions in small batches. That will be the best option. Or else you can go for a deep pan instead of kadai, because in deep pan you can a bigger size one, you can do it in less number of batches. So totally it's up to you, depending on the availability of your utensils, you can do it. So now you can see that the onion started turning into golden. So we will keep the flame on medium low only. We are not going to change the flame at all. The flame is very crucial, very important. Don't increase the flame, otherwise the flame will, the heat will destroy your onion. Then you can see after a few minutes the onion started turning into golden color. I'm going to show you today two variety of onions, one dark golden and the second one will be the light golden. The first batch I'm going for is the darker one, the dark golden one. For dark golden you can you can keep the onions frying for a more amount of time, and for the light golden one you need to immediately pull out the onions from the karai. So here I am going for the darker golden side in the first batch, so I kept it for a little longer time in the oil, and then I am going to remove all the oil from the onions. So for that I'm using a strainer, and after straining thoroughly whatever oil is there in that, then we are going to spread this on a kitchen paper, kitchen towel. So the oil is thoroughly strained, you can see it's perfectly strained, there is no oil left in this. Now I'm going to take a plate and I'm going to place the paper towel on this, and I'm going to put the fried onions. Now I'm going to spread these fried onions so that they cool down quickly, and our first batch of dark golden onions are ready. So some people prefer darker ones, some people prefer light golden, so it's totally up to you. So this is our first batch, and you can see how it looks. It's perfectly fried and it's ready to use, and I didn't add anything in the onions, no salt, nothing. Now moving on to the second batch. In the second batch I'm going to go for the lighter golden version of the onions, and you can see that I'm frying it. This batch I'm going to take out little early because I want light golden, not the darker one like I did in the first batch, because this is one variety and the lighter one is another variety of the onions that we can go for. So here you can see that when the onions started turning into golden color, and you can see that it's pretty much done, you should immediately remove it, and you can see that it's still light gold, and I removed it immediately from the oil. And now I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to strain all the oil from the onions. It should be more oil, and always remember that for light golden you should immediately remove the onions as soon as they turn golden, otherwise they will turn very dark or black. And the same way, take a paper towel or kitchen towel and spread the onions. Now you can see the difference between the darker golden version of the fried onions and the lighter version which is in the other plate, which is this. So this is how I fry my onions, and I store it in a airtight container, and this is good to go for at least 3 to 4 months. And if it is summertime, keep it in the refrigerator. It doesn't matter, and you can use it for your cooking. So guys, hope you find this helpful, and please subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and please show some support. Thank you so much for watching.